time to get you some more views on your YouTube videos. Hi, or welcome back if you're new here. My name is Trina, and on this channel, I help you do YouTube better. So if you want to continue to learn how to do YouTube better, make sure you click subscribe to this channel. And we're going to jump into all the ways that you can promote your YouTube videos so that you can get more views on those videos. Now, obviously, doing your research and optimizing those videos so that they are found in search is one of the best ways to do it. But what if it's just not working for you? The first place I want you to start promoting your YouTube videos is to an email list. Now, hold on. If you do not have an email list, that's absolutely fine. You should totally start an email list for your YouTube channel, because here's the thing, YouTube isn't always notifying our subscribers that we have a new video, and not all of them are hitting the little bell icon. So if you can take matters into your own hands and email them, that's one of the best ways you can start getting more views on your videos. Now, I use a platform called ConvertKit, but you can get started with an absolutely free email provider called MailChimp. Once you start collecting those emails, when you post a new video, you're going to want to email them and say, hey, guess what? New video's up, and here's why you need to watch it. Give them a reason why they need to go over and watch that video, and then send them that link in that email so they can easily click it and start watching your videos. The next place is social media. Now, I generalize social media because there are so many different options. What I want you to do is pick the option that works best for you or where your audience currently is. For me, when I first started on YouTube, I tried to do every single platform, Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, and it was just super overwhelming and I burnt out really fast. What I did was I went into my analytics to see where I was getting the most traffic from my external sources. Pinterest happened to be doing amazing for me. So I pretty much went all in with Pinterest. I started creating pins specifically for Pinterest. I had someone start helping me optimize my pins so that they would show up in Pinterest search. And now Pinterest is one of my biggest social media platforms that drives a lot of my traffic to my channel. But Pinterest doesn't have to be your platform. Maybe you have a lot of followers already on Facebook or on Instagram or even on Snapchat. Use that to your advantage. Tell those people when you have a brand new video to go over and watch it. They're already following you for a reason, so if you tell them you have a new video, they're probably going to be pretty psyched that you have one and go over and watch it. Okay, now I'm going to give you some secrets to social media success. You ready? If you're going to use Pinterest, make sure you're creating the right size imagery. You'll want to jump over to Vanessa Kind's YouTube channel where she talks all about Pinterest strategy. She's a Pinterest strategist, and she'll tell you exactly what those pins should look like, what those graphics should look like to really see traffic from Pinterest. Next, Facebook. You do not want to share your YouTube link on Facebook because they're competing platforms. What I suggest doing is either upload a teaser clip from your video and then in the comments tell people to jump over and watch the entire video on your YouTube channel, or what I do is I just upload my whole video to Facebook. While I'm not getting views on my YouTube channel, I'm still broadening my reach and getting my message out to more people. And then I can let them know in the comments that, hey, I have a whole YouTube channel about these tips. For Instagram, it's really gonna be important for you to show your video in some kind of imagery. People are on Instagram for pretty photos. So what you'll wanna do is really caption that Instagram photo with some reason why that they should go see that video. Don't just say, go watch my video. Maybe give them a piece of that video in text format and say, hey, I've got even more content or even more tips over on my YouTube video today, so make sure you go watch that. And you can actually add that link to your YouTube video in your profile. So your call to action in that caption of your photo would be something like, make sure you go to the link in my bio to watch the full video. And finally, Instagram stories, which is my absolute favorite. You don't just want to drop a video and say, hey, go watch it. Tell them a little bit more about that video. You know, why is it important? What are you going to teach them over there? And engage with them with polls or the question option in Instagram stories. Then go say, hey, I have an entire video over on my YouTube channel today talking more in depth about this. It's going to be really important to use the social media platforms for what they do best. Don't just drop one piece of content across the board. Repurpose it, knowing what does well on those platforms. And remember, it doesn't matter how many followers you have. Just share. Even if you have one follower, that could be one more additional view on your YouTube video. Another way to promote your YouTube videos is to blog. So what I do is I write a little mini blog down in this description box, really describing and summarizing this video. Then I take that summary, I put it over on my blog, I embed this video, and what happens is I potentially have 2 search results on Google. So the first search result could potentially be my YouTube video, and then the second one could be to my blog post, which gets people to my website, which gets them to buy my services and my products. But it definitely helps me increase the reach that I'm getting from Google, because people can watch my YouTube video straight from Google search, or they can go to my website and watch my YouTube video, and I still get those views counted on my video, even if that video is on my blog. Another way is to start collaborating. Find somebody who you enjoy, who talks to the same people that you talk to. Just ask them, hey, would you want to do a collaboration? Maybe you do 5 tips to start a business and they do 5 more tips to start a business. Then say in that video, go watch her channel because she's sharing 5 more tips. Or she could give you her 5 tips. You could intro it on your channel, say, hey, this is so-and-so, she's gonna give you 5 tips, and if you wanna see my 5 tips, go to her channel, and then you give her your 5 tips. You see how that works? So you guys are cross-pollinating views across each other's channels. Here's one other way to promote your videos that a lot of people forget. Use your videos. Tell them in your videos. So for me, if I was talking about branding and how to brand a channel, I would tell people to go watch my video on how to set up a channel banner, and I would link it in a card right up above, or I would say, go click on the description box below. By you actively telling people to go watch another video of yours, that could get more views on that video. And another way you could do it is wrap up your videos real quickly like this and tell people, if you want to continue to learn more about how to use YouTube strategy in your business or grow your YouTube channel, click the video that is on your screen right now, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.